Hi guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? I missed you. Scroll down to pattern focus to find today's pattern. And yeah, I'm still a little hoarse. Sorry about that. Okay, today's pattern is called Katori. Looks like it's a lovely little organic pattern. So we're going to start with a little circle. And then coming up from the bottom of that circle, we're going to come up and do a little fescue-like thing that way. And then between the two, we're going to do another little arch like that. And I guess that's it. And then the variations have you adding petals or drawing it quote-unquote upside down and doing various things with it. There's that, the sample. So let's see what we can do with that, and I'm going to try to put it on a bookmark because I'm still working on bookmarks for that lovely librarian who's going to give them to kids. So, wondering if I couldn't do like, I like them sort of as a flowery sort of a shape, so I wonder if I couldn't do like maybe one in here and one here, maybe one here, and I'll put stems all down toward the bottom. I think that's a good idea. So, excuse me. Gee, I thought I could speak, but apparently I can't. So I'm going to start with one here. I'm going to put a circle about there. Zoom you in a little bit, kind of far away. I need to adjust my camera just slightly. There we go. Okay. Up and around. Up and around like a fescue. I think I needed to go a little bit more curvy with this shape. So I'm going to actually bring it down and around a little bit more. Like that. And then like this. That's the general shape. And then I'm going to go ahead and make petals for this. Because I think that's cool. I think I want to put some kind of a thing in the middle. And I'm going to do one that's going quote-unquote upside down because I do kind of like that. So I'm going to stick it here. Here. Kind of like that. And then I'm going to turn around this way and design the flowerish shape around that. Something like that. And then one more right in here. Getting too close to my edge. I don't like it close to the edge. Okay, so that's what I've done with it. Zoom out a little bit. And then I want to make some stems. Like something like that. Needed something. This needs something too. Okay. Happy with this. I need some kind of... Why is that making noise? I turned it off. Why is it making noise? I don't know. Something like that. I'm happy with this. And a bit of... This one might want to pop a color. I think this one's going to want to pop a color. Let me see. Open up my thing here. Let's do a bit of green. And a bit of darker green. Oops, got a little carried away with my coloring there. See if I can't get that little splotch off with my magic eraser. I'm molding it into a little tip so I can get in that spot without too much of an issue. If I don't get it all off, that's okay. I'm trying to make it not quite so visible. All right, let's see. I want no, more blue. And this lighter, kind of a greenish blue. And yellow. All right, I think that's good. Alrighty, now, so what was the name of this? My little tiny piece of paper so I can give me a name here. Katori. Katori. You can't see that. Let me zoom out. Oh, too far. Okay, it doesn't fit. There we go. Sideways. Gotta give it a little bit of an angle. Oh, I didn't sign it. Always sign your art. Alright, that'll work. I think that's kind of pretty. Alright, you guys have a nice day. Go do something nice for someone today. I'm trying really hard not to lose my voice, but darn it, I think it's just going to go away. No matter what I do, you guys are just going to have to live with it. I will see you later, and try to get as much of this drawing done this week as I can. See ya. Bye.